Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan. Thank you for joining me for some more Wednesday Wisdom. And we are on week 6 of our Good Habits Challenge. That means that after today, we will be halfway through our 12-week challenge. So I hope that you guys have maybe picked up a few new good habits along the way. If you've missed the previous segments, I encourage you to go back and look at those. So for today, I am giving you the key to more orderly living. If you can adopt this one habit, you will definitely change your life. So what is it? It is this simple, guys. Put everything away as soon as you're done using it. Every time, everything, just put it away as soon as you're done using it. Now, one thing that I hear all the time is, but I'm just gonna use it again in an hour. Why should I put it away? The reason why is because it establishes the habit, and it will become so second nature that you won't even think about it. You'll just automatically put it away. And then the next time you need that item, it's gonna be right there. Now, obviously, this is going to be a little bit challenging if you're living in a lot of disorder and things don't have a home. So if you say, well, Valerie, that's all fine and good, but I don't know where to put it back to. I found it on my coffee table. That's not really where it belongs. It was in a pile of, 20 other things that really don't belong on the coffee table either. Okay, so if you're in that situation, then the thing to do is to just start. With each thing that you are finished using, think to yourself, where is the most logical place for me to look for this the next time I need it? And go put it there. And eventually, if you just do that every single time, then you will establish homes for everything. So if you want to start in a specific room, creating homes for things, then I would recommend maybe the kitchen. The kitchen seems to be a little bit more intuitive than some other rooms in terms of like where to put certain things. So maybe start there with a general framework and just automatically every single time you use anything, put it where it belongs. It's going to be the biggest challenge, honestly, for this is just remembering to do it, which is, of course, the challenge with most habits. But I promise you it is worth the effort to do this, guys. It really is a game changer. So I hope you will give it a try. If you have any questions, you need some suggestions or help with this one, please feel free to email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And if you haven't already done so, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the good habits that are coming up for the rest of the challenge or any of the other advice that I give along the way in my Wednesday Wisdom segments. Until next week, keep it easy peasy.